Here we are, just testing out my new camera. I got the DJI Pocket 3. Pretty cool little pocket camera. I'm gonna see what it can do. And then I also got a couple drone shots for a video, little intro. But we got a great day. Super nice and clear, sunny down here at Keauhou. So let's see how the camera does. See why everyone getting this camera. It's pretty small, easy to use. Picture looks pretty killer. Don't have to hook the phone up to it. The big plus. But yeah, what a great day to fly the drone. Just gonna take it out. Get a fly-in shot of Keauhou. Thinking this would be a good spot to do it from. Go up on a hill here and get some visibility. Alright, let's get the drone in the air. One thing is, Kona, man, you always got good weather to fly the drone. It's hardly ever too windy. Or rainy, for that matter. So, pretty spoiled over here. This looks like a good spot to send it from. Just no shade to hide out in, but got the new controller, so hopefully we'll just get a little sun and we'll be okay. Oh, look at this day. Whew. Ooh, there it is. The original. Still going. Here we go, we're just waiting for a satellite lock. Updated. Oh, home point. We're ready to go. See what kind of shots we can get today. Alright. sun is no joke. Believe me, it's hot. But wind got picked up and dropped back down, so drone flew, landed, got my shot I was looking for, I hope. I'll edit it into the video a little later and let me know what you think. I think I spend a little too much time flying at 400 feet, but sometimes it makes for cool shots. Alright. Well, let's see if I can find somewhere with some shade to get the drone up. See how this camera is super easy to use. Definitely fits in my pocket. Gotta bust out some more accessories. I should have brought a tripod for it. Got some shots of the drone flying, but we'll get those later. We'll add them in. Huh. Well, the colors look pretty good. See it doing its thing. I'm not doing active track or anything. Maybe let's pop it on active track. See that? There we go. We're following us. Make it super easy. That looks pretty good to me. Okay, let's go find somewhere else to fly. Check back in. Well, I'll tell you what. Make sure you bring a hat, find some shade, make sure you got water. It's 30 minutes in the sun and it's toasted. Suffering. Get this AC on. I think I'm gonna go to Keauhou. I lost signal when I was flying. I'm gonna come back. Didn't quite get the shot I wanted. I guess I was pretty far out there. But I'll try again. Get one more fly in. Pocket 3, see how it's working.